Hello everybody. Hey, we're still on vacation out here, so I got a little bit of run footage on the Haiboxing Ratchet and the A-Cross 12428 from WLtoys. Just a little bit of run time on the beach with a teeny little bit of slow-mo. So hope you guys enjoy it, and catch you down the road. Hey, one more thing, since I screwed up the sound test the other day, I'm going to throw that in here. It's only a few seconds long. I had music playing over it in the other video. I don't know why, but I did. So here we go. I'm facing into the wind, so if there's too much wind noise, I'll take this out. Facing into the wind, so if there's too much wind noise, I'll take this out. Facing into the wind, so if there's too much wind noise, I'll take this out. Okay, we are at the Umpqua Dunes Resort. It's an RV park on this little bay. So, we're going to get started from here. I'm going to run today. I've got the Ratchet. I still haven't taken the body protection off of it. That's okay. But we're going to run it in the sand today for a little bit. I'm really liking this car. I think this would be a great entry-level car for a kid, and as I said before, it's fun for me just because it's easy to carry. Very responsive. Hey, that's the first time I turned it over, but it hit a heel mark from somebody and flipped over in the heel mark. I don't think this would be a great jumping car, but for what it is and what it does and the portability of it, I think it's a lot of fun. It gets some really decent run times. Well, I think we'll run the across a little bit and probably call this a day, because I've got to get out of the RV park here pretty soon. So, as always, turn on the radio, then the car. Trim must have been accidentally turned too far. Let's see. And that's the A-Cross on, it's on a LiPo, but it's just a 2-cell. It's pretty good in the sand on pavement and stuff where it gets a lot of traction. It has a tendency to turn over if you're under throttle when you do this. And this is just doing pretty good. Hit a rock. Get a little bit of loose sand for this one. It's big enough. I think the other one is an 1/18 scale, and it's a little small for deep sand. The tires are too short. Oh, must run the battery down. It's blinking at me. No, I guess I hit the switch. Needed to be repaired, reconnected. That's this version of A-Cross has the switch on the bottom, and I apparently hit a rock. No, maybe I did run the battery down. Yeah. If I turn it off and on, it reconnects, but I suspect the battery's low. I did not charge that battery before we came out, so it normally has a longer run time than that. But like I said, we need to wrap this up today because I've got to get out of the RV park. So hope everybody enjoyed that a little bit. See what these things do in the sand.